Memorial Day is one day set aside for all of us to pay respects to those whose sacrifices made our lives possible.
And the American flag symbolizes why those sacrifices were made. It flies this day out front of the Hutchins home.
It's very quiet, very peaceful place to live.
But out back is where the real memorial is.
We've been working on it seriously, probably 25 years.
Jim and Nancy Hutchins have worked hard to create this place. So when a neighbor told them there was once a natural pond in their yard, they had to find it.
We started digging, looking for this pond. We found the tombstone first. It was back there towards the fence.
That's right, buried about 3 feet down.
We kept digging and digging, and it got bigger and bigger.
Jim Hutchins found a tombstone, and it was barely readable.
George Harold, born March 16, 1785, died November 17, 1847. He was aged 62 years, 8 months, and 1 day.
With the help of living descendants, the Hutchins learned that George Harold was the son of a Revolutionary War officer and that the stone was supposed to be with the body in Snyder County. Then an elderly friend remembered a story about men who would steal tombstones like this.
And as he said, he'd sell them to the rich people, and he guessed $1 a piece, and they would use them for sidewalks and paths.
Now it's on the path, restored, framed, proof that every day can be Memorial Day. In Dauphin County, Ben Russell, CBS 21 News.